Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is going to be a small unboxing video. So it's going to be an unboxing video of my Polaroid camera, and it's humongous. Like, look at it, it's humongous. You can take up this whole screen. It's huge. I'm so excited because I've been waiting for this like quite a long time, and I ordered a bag with it too, so I think it will take some time to arrive, and I couldn't wait. Like, it will take Tuesday, and I will go to Chennai, and everything will happen in a second. So, and also I'm not patient, trust me. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So before opening the big package, we got some small package to unbox. So these are some of the clothes that I bought. I decided to unbox them in front of the camera. So let's see the first one. This is a black high neck top that I bought. Oh yeah. This is so cute. It will be perfect. So I'm astonished. So this was actually it was pretty cheap, I guess. I don't know, really like it. I don't know. I don't know. Actually, the MRP is given here 1,099, but I'm pretty sure that I bought it like for really cheap. I bought it for like 200 or 400 something. So I'm surprised. And this is not the first time. I bought a Harry Potter bracelet, and it was like, when I looked at the real MRP of the product, it was so freaking high. I was so surprised. Like, seriously, bro. It was too high. Offer 2. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. It's fancy actually. Packaging is good. Oh my gosh, this looks so cute. I bought this for a black pant, black and green bordered pant, because I didn't have anything to wear with it. So this is really cute. The main focus is on the pant, so I don't mind if it's blind or something, but it's cute. So we have unboxed all the clothes. Now, the Polaroid camera. I am so excited. I don't know. Like, maybe I should start right away. I'm not going to speak. Okay. So, guys, the packaging is humongous, but the box, damn, this is heavy. This is heavy. The box is actually pretty small, but I'm pretty sure they did that for safety, because I saw a lot of reviews saying that they got damaged product. So I think they wanted to prevent that. So you guys have to look at this package. Like, look at this. This is so cute. The packaging is so good. Oh my god. It's so cute. Like, just ignore the clothes. It's so good. The packaging is perfect. It's perfect. The packaging is so cute. I'm just going to open it. It's always my dream to have an Insta camera, like a Polaroid camera. This really come true.
2,000 years later.
So bad. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, the packaging is so cute. Just look at everything in this. The packaging is so cute and perfect. Like perfect. Some time to open. So I'm going to start. I'm not going to start big. I'm going to start just by the frames. Like it is big, but still I'm going to start off. This one is so cute. I'm not supposed to open this yet, probably. Oh my god. I can hang this on my bed. Oh my god, this is cute. Whoa, this is so cute. This is so cute. This is so cute. After this, let's move on. This is so cute. I'm going to hang it on top of my bed. Okay, next we got the film. The Insta film, you know, those is just. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I saw this on the tutorial video. This is supposed to be like a grip.
Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish.
It's not that cute, but it's just a brand.
I'm selfish.
Nothing brand.
Myself, I can't help it.
Now for the box.
To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans.
The camera is so big.
And in
Like,
LA,
look at
every
it.
chick's
So
an
big.
actress. Hollywood status with the
Focus on
shit
the
glasses.
size of my
To
hand.
Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest. Where the ladies got asses and love lot of sex. And hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best.
I am not going to
Southern slang and smoke lot cess.
I know
And New
this
York
is so
women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that stress. I wish you all were mine, it's so selfish. Maybe
Runs
I'm
in battery.
myself too much, I guess. But to my ladies all across the globe, in small towns that I don't even know, to all local international codes. Whether you see me in the streets or catch me at shows, I'm called.
Like this.
Maybe I'm selfish.
It's so pretty. It's so pretty.
Maybe I'm selfish.
It's so pretty.
Maybe I'm selfish.
It's my favorite color. I chose this from all.
And I'll be trying to come around my girl acting like Mr. Friendly.
Comes in the
Spotlight like
I don't want
Mr. Bentley. I spotted her
And the
like
back
Lil
end is flat.
Mackenzie. And for them fake boobies, I paid them Benjis. Get your own. I got Paris, he got Nicki, he tried to get him a clone. He said, yeah, you know you got extra hoes and everything you do is extra cold. From the polo fleece to the Jesus piece. I got family in high places like Jesus, niece. Can I please say my piece? If y'all fresh to death, then I'm deceased. And this one here is a heat rock, spit like a beatbox. The way the beat rocks, new version of Pete Rock. But for that Benz, I get CL love, so I switch my girls around like 3L Dub. I'm calling.
The instructions. Oh, I get a sticker. Why is this so confusing? Put in! Ah! Oh! We have more. Oh, okay, there's another. That's in Chinese! So, attach the left tab. Attach the left tab to the left of the lens. So guys, I attached it. It was quite hectic, trust me. Moving on, we are supposed to have a strap. Where's the strap? Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Don't get too excited. Let me then. When you press. But then I am simply supposed to click. on. So now I'm supposed to wait. So some. Oh, my film is appearing. Oh, yeah, girl. Oh, yeah, you look so good. Okay, so it's pretty, but it's too bright. You guys can see it. It's too bright. Where's that? No, I won't film this. This is my first picture. And something else. Yeah, this one's too dark. Like compared to the other one, it's too dark. The other one is too bright. This one is too dark. Like if you can see the difference. So this is it. So pretty. And this is the thing that I told you. It came with it. And I don't know what these are supposed to do, but these are some magnets, and these are so freaking heavy. I don't know why. Yep. That's all. So thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. See you in the next video.